Would you record a quick 30-second audio if I would pay you $100? If the answer is yes, then I have some amazing news for you because I just discovered a website that pays you for exactly that. Hi, my name is Art and I'm from artofmarketingblog.com, a place where I help you make money online. And in this video, I will show you the secret website that pays you exactly that. A minimum of the amount of money that you'll be able to make is $100 and the maximum is in the thousands of dollars, depending on how much audio you'll be able to record and on the project, of course. You don't have to be a professional. You don't have to know anything about voiceover, and the crazy thing is that it can be in any language, any accent, and essentially this is for everyone. You know, a very, very easy way to make money. So I'm going to show you the website in a second, but first of all, please like this video if you would like to see more of these free training videos of mine. Also, please subscribe to this channel. It really helps me out. And if you're already subscribed, click on the bell notifications to get a notification each time that I'm coming out with these free training videos. Also very important, please check out the links in the description of this video. The first link will take you to a secret project of mine that actually makes me thousands of dollars online every single month. And also please check out the rest of the links. I got a ton of resources for you there, so go ahead and do that now. And right now let me just show you the secret website that you'll be able to make at least $100 with over and over again. Okay, so the website is called voices.com. As you can see, you can sign up for free. Trusted brands like Shopify, Microsoft, History Channel, Discovery Channel, GoDaddy, Hulu are using this site. So essentially, if someone needs a voiceover, they go to this site, and if you're going to be signed up as a freelancer, they will essentially contact you if you match the job. Okay, so you can post it for free. Fast auditions, 100+ languages, so from Albanian to Zulu, so it doesn't really matter where you're from, where you are in the world, which accent or dialect you're speaking. You know, there's a good chance that you'll be able to make money with whatever language you're speaking or whatever dialect or accent. You'll be paid through SurePay, which essentially pays you with PayPal. And you know, I'm going to show you the rest of the website in a second, but essentially this is what you'll be doing. And again, you don't have to be a professional voice over person. You can become an actor, as you can see here. Let me just see here. You can open a free account. Then if you'll decide to go professional, essentially you can pay $30 per month, but you can make thousands of dollars. And obviously you'll be starting with a free account here. Let me just see here. This is what these companies are paying. So if you're gonna do something professional like broadcast, like radio broadcast or television broadcast, you'll be paid $250 to $500 to $750. But if you are not a professional, for a 0 to 5 minutes audio, these companies are paying $100 to $250. So even if you are not a professional, you just sort of doing this as a hobby, and maybe you have like an accent that really matches the description of the project or a language, then by all means, you know, you can make a ton of money. You can see 30 to 60 minutes, $1,000 plus. So a ton of money is to be made. Even if you're just gonna make one project that is maybe a longer project, you can make easily 4 figures. So, and you know, and again, the minimum amount of money that you can make is $100 for 0 to 5 minutes. Usually, these jobs are for simple stuff like 30-second audio, 60-second audio, and you'll be able to make money this way. So very cool. If you want to sign up and open a free account, all you have to go is go to voices.com/sign up. Click here, right here where it says I want to work. Just enter your name, email address, phone, username and password. You can sign up. Then you're gonna get all the necessary information via email. And what you can also do is check out the success stories. So go to voices.com/talent/stories and you'll be able to see just testimonials from people. You know, I really liked these video testimonials. As you can see, even a 71-year-old person right here, he says, I'm 71 years old and having the time of my life doing something I never even dreamed of being a possibility. You know, people are talking about what kind of voiceover they are doing. You know, it's not only for radio or television or websites. It can even be for games. So this lady says here, I now have 3 games characters under my belt. So just a ton of different possibilities with your voiceover. Okay, again, you don't have to be a professional. You can start literally just on your laptop and you can make a ton of money. So again, voices.com, you can sign up for free, check out all the information. I think it's a very, very interesting way. You don't need experience. All you have to do is just sign up for free and just see if what kind of projects do they have, and maybe if you have an interesting accent or if you know an interesting language, then you know, you'll be able to make money this way. So go ahead and sign up if you think that this is something that you can make money with. If you like this idea, then again, you can make thousands of dollars very, very easily. And again, remember that most of these works are simple works, you know, 30 to 60 seconds audios, and you can make an easy $100 this way, okay? So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to be recording a ton more for you. So again, please like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and also please check out the links in the description of this video if you want to check out the #1 system that makes me thousands of dollars every single month. Leave a comment if you have any questions or if you have an idea for my next video, and I will see you in the next video. All right, ciao guys, see ya.